Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Nest doorbell. This particular doorbell is wired. We're going to wire it to your existing doorbell. These doorbells have cameras on them, making it convenient and adding security to your home. Pretty easy to install. Let's get started. Before you actually purchase the Nest Hello, you want to check your doorbell's compatibility with Nest. Pull the cover off of the doorbell chime and see if it has wires. If it has wires, it's compatible. If it has batteries, you'll need to buy a power adapter for that. Also, you want to check your transformer. Transformer needs to be between 16 and 24 volts. Next, you want to download the app from an app store, create an account, and sign in. Next, you want to add the product to your app. Press the plus sign on the app and scan the QR code located on the back of the doorbell. Before you get started with any electrical project, you want to cut the power to the circuit. Next, we're going to attach the Chime connector to the Chime doorbell. Some of these doorbells have multiple terminals. This particular one just says front and transformer on it. I'm going to be installing my doorbell on the front door. First, we want to remove the wire from the front terminal and then straighten the wire. If you have pliers, straighten the wire out and then trim it to about 1/4 inch. So you have 1/4 inch of wire, bare wire. Next, you want to insert the wire in the white connector by squeezing the plastic connector together and insert the wire into it. Now, take the white wire lead and attach it to the front terminal. Secure it with a screwdriver. Next, we're going to take off the transformer terminal. Again, straighten the wire and trim it so you have 1/4 inch of bare wire showing. Insert that into the gray plastic clip. Now attach the gray wire to the transformer terminal and you're all set. Find a good place to stick the Chime connector. Make sure that the wires don't interfere with the chime. Next, we're going to remove the doorbell to install our Nest Hello. Now that the doorbell's off, let's install the wall plate. Insert the wires through the lower half of the wall plate and mark your holes. Next, we're going to drill the pilot holes. Now it's 2 connections. All that matters here is that the wires are pointing down. Now all you have to do is slide in the top first and then click in the bottom. Now we just got to power it up and a blue light should come on the Nest Hello. Now that the power is on, we're going to go back to the app. It's going to ask you if you see a blue light. Click on yes. Once Nest Hello is connected to your Wi-Fi, click on your Wi-Fi, put in your password. Once the Nest doorbell is connected to your Wi-Fi, it'll walk you through a few prompts. Then it'll ask you to ring the doorbell. There it is. That easy. For more tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.